Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Poppy Playtime. We're going to go over how to draw Killy Willy. Alright, let's jump into it. If you're a beginner, this is perfect for you. I'm going to walk you through the whole thing. Let's get started. So, I'm going to be using a Sharpie. You can use whatever you like. Right off the bat, Killy Willy has an interesting face, so we're going to draw full body here. And I'm going to start with kind of the lower lip right here. So, I'm going to have a curvature right there. Just kind of a slight curvature for kind of the lower lip. I'm going to pull down again for a kind of continuation of the lower lip. Continuation of the lower lip over here. I'm going to actually duplicate that line. By the way, don't forget, hit the like button if you like Poppy Playtime, and I'll put more tutorials on different characters from it. Otherwise, just hit the like if you like, you know, art and this kind of stuff. Going over here, curve right there. For the kind of, again, just like the similar shape, because the lower lip has a density to it, right? Gonna go from the lower lip up into a like kind of lower tooth right there, sticking way up. Lower tooth sticking way up. Gonna go over here now, and I'm gonna throw like a closed off loop for the mouth. So over here, I'm gonna take this line, curve it, but I'm gonna curve it right here, but it's gonna go behind the teeth there. Over here, I'm gonna draw another line right there, giving a thickness to that lip, right? Because the lip is, you know, basically like a tube, kind of curved around. We'll go back to that in a second, but right now let's go up to the head, and I'm gonna find the right side over here, up. Got that kind of Wolverine hair. I'm gonna go over here, up a little bit more right there. It's gonna zigzag up, curve over here, curve over here, down, gonna keep going over here, up, down, up over here and down, up over here, down. Okay, so you got kind of that, it almost looks like a fire, like head or something like that. And now we're gonna go over here and draw the eyes. Circle right here. Center of the eye. Circle right here on the right side for a smaller eye. Circle right here on this side of the eye. Circle on this side. And circle on that side, so you have the 5 kind of eyes going on. Alright. Let's go over here into the mouth now. Don't forget, if you like learning how to draw in general, hit the subscribe button right now. Absolutely right now, before you forget it. There's no downside to it. You can always unsubscribe later if you don't like what's going on. But I go over one drawing lesson every single day, and I'm going to start putting up iPad drawing lessons as an extra. Not just like, nothing's going to be replaced. I'm going to put it as an extra. So, you don't want to miss out. I'm going to go over everything from Godzilla to, you know, Pokemon to anime, through, you know, video games, through just everything you can think of. Sonic, dinosaurs. Don't miss out. Definitely hit the subscribe if you find my stuff here worth your time. And I appreciate that if you do. You know, if not, I understand. Let's go over here to the teeth. And he's going to have kind of these tombstone shaped teeth over here. Curve, curve, curve. Go over here to the shoulder. So we're gonna go over here to his torso now. So we're gonna have his back, which is kind of hunched, and then kind of his shoulder area. So he's got a hunch right here, and that's his back. Line right there. Gonna go down, line, line, line. Cool. Gonna go over here, and his shoulder's gonna be sticking out here, and it's kind of fuzzy. Over here on this side. Down, right there. So we got his shoulders right there. So far, so good. Maybe we're gonna pull in here for the torso. and you're gonna kind of connect the line. So like this is a big mistake I see in drawing. Okay, so you want this line to kind of match with that side, right? You want to imagine it goes through, because sometimes people put a line on this side and then the line comes out over here somewhere. That's kind of you're kind of drawing through the form in a way, but you know, we're using marker, so you have to kind of approximate it. Very, very common mistake to avoid. Gonna go over here, curve. All right, that's the stomach area. Gonna go over here and have his arm kind of come out. So we're gonna put that tube-like arm. And I tend to see all torsos like all appendages like a tube in my mind. If you want to learn anything about that kind of stuff, like even the drawing thing I just talked about, general drawing tips like that and how to draw in general, go check out the Skillshare. That's in the link, okay, in the description. That's all the basics of drawing, where you can draw anything you want. These are more like specific stuff that we're going over on this channel. But it's free right now if you click on that link in Skillshare. I think you get like a free month. Line down. Gonna go over here. Pull downward here for, that's kind of the elbow on this side, and you can have the forearm going down. Line over here on this side. Up, down, down right here, and when it gets toward the hand, it starts getting bigger. Gonna go find the other side of the torso over here, so it's gonna be the latissimus dorsi, like the lat. I don't know if you guys work out, but the lat, kind of in that area. It's kind of like basically your side, where it's a muscle over your rib cage. Pulling a line over here for the legs starting, but before we do that, I'm going to go over here and draw the other side of the arm. So just like that, down over here on this side, over here on this side, zigzag for kind of the elbow area. Down over here, it's getting bigger toward the hand. And then we're going to take care of the fingers. He has 3 big fingers. Out over here, down, up. It's like a horn almost. It's like a claw. 1, that's for the thumb. Line over here. Again, it kind of only bends in one spot. Looks kind of like a horn in my opinion, but it's always like a claw. Which I guess over there's like the pointer fingers. And then 1 over here. Curve. After we finish those 3 kind of claws, we're going to go over here on this side. Same thing. Try to make them approximately the same size. Over here. Curve, curve, curve. And I'm gonna form a I'm gonna close this off over here now. So I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna find the rest of the hand. See, kind of behind there. Kind of round it off. Same thing over here. It's so much easier to do that than to, you know, open up spaces and draw the fingers in between. Hopefully you're having a good time, by the way. If you want a free How to Draw Cute ebook, which is the opposite of this, but if you want to draw cute stuff, I put a free ebook in the link in the description as well, a different link. It is an ebook entirely on how to go over the proportions of cute, because that is literally all what cute is. It is like big head, but the thing is, it's comparison big head. Big head, kind of big eyes, small features. I go over that in like a 10-page free ebook, completely free. So go check that link out later if you are interested in drawing like cute stuff to kind of have that in your mind. Curve right here for the bottom of the torso. And then we're gonna have the leg over here. It's just kind of more or less we're gonna find it back there. See, like the leg's gonna go down, and then it's gonna come out over here. It's kind of a big footstep kind of thing. Line, line, line. He's got 3 toes as well, which are all stuck together, and it's kind of like these elephant feet in a way. Gonna go over on this side as well. You're gonna barely see the leg, maybe just wherever you think it's gonna pop up. Down over here, curve, line, line, line. On, he has like this open stomach thingy. Curve, another curve as well. And right here, there's triangles to show like kind of this open mouth in his stomach. Right on. And then anything else after this is kind of detail. You can draw like a line up over here, I don't know, for some more stitching or something. But I hope you enjoyed that. I thought that was easy enough. Oh, the last thing I almost forgot. Circle, circle, circle. You got, there are literally eyes on his hands. So just draw circles with dots in the center of them. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget we have coloring books over on Amazon. Go check those out. There is a lot to check out, and I hope you appreciate it. I hope I add one new coloring book every single week. So I'll see you very soon. Go check out the color books on Amazon and pick one up.